install your rear wiper blade replacement from Amazon on your BlueTech GL 350. So let's see here. This little thing flips up. Look inside there. There you have your blade. Flips out. You should be able to pull it out of there. So let me do that next. I'll show you this other one that came with it. So this is part number here. Shows you it just pops out, clicks it in. Various models. First we're going to see if it's the same size. Dropped it. Sorry, looks like a match. And I will unclick it, click it back in, let you know how it goes. Now one other thing, it's a genuine OEM part. So this is a previous one off Amazon from a few years ago. And here's what the new one's gonna look like. It's got a little Mercedes symbol on it. So I got it broken free once, but just walk up to it, push directly out that way. Don't twist it up and down, just push out. See if I can do it with one hand. So using two hands, I did it already broken free. Turn it, push out that way, and it'll come off. And you'll see there's one little pipe in there. Use the opposite, slide it back on, and then click it in place. There you have it. I'll show you the finished product. There you have it. Wiper blade. Genuine OEM product. There's the old one. This one just had a bite taken out of it. Probably from ice, a little bit on the other end. So, it's all good to go. It doesn't fly out. Pretty happy with it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy my Mercedes-Benz updates. Thanks for watching.